Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use workflows on HubSpot. So let's get right into it. Now, workflows are a tool which is used for automating your HubSpot activities and to make your life easier by not doing some menial tasks, which are pretty much just a time waster if you can automate them. Now, the way that you use them is you go into the automations window and then click on workflows, and then you can create a workflow from here. Now, as you can see, you do need to upgrade to at least Marketing Hub Professional to be able to use them. However, I'll go over to this support article to pretty much explain to you guys how you can do this. Now, once you navigate to there, in the top right, you can see the create workflow button, and you can select from scratch. And in the left panel, you need to select object based to select your workflow object, which are any of these objects that you see here, and you can also see what subscriptions they require. Now, in the right panel, you need to choose the type, and you need to select blank workflow if you're doing it from scratch. Then select next, and at the top, just click the pencil icon to edit the name and description. And you can also generate the description using AI if you want to. And once you're done with that, click save. Now you can also create one from templates. When you click create workflow, select from template, and you can select a category or a search keyword for the template. And once you find it, you can easily just use it. Once you use the template, you need to set the enrollment triggers by going to the editor, click on setup triggers, and when an event occurs, when a criteria is met or based on a schedule, and you need to select a filter type for your enrollment, set up the trigger and click save. And by default, records will only enroll in a workflow for the first time they meet their enrollment triggers. So keep in mind you set everything up as it should be. And you then need to add actions by clicking on the plus icon and adding the actions which happen after the trigger. Then you can use the data panel when adding actions, depending on what actions you want to use. And again, you are blocked from some depending on your subscription level. And you can also add data sources to the panel's available data by going at edit available data, go to add data source, choose a record type and select a data source, and then under data source details, click add if you want to. And in the left panel, you need to click on the field that you'd like to use the data with. And that's pretty much just some details. You just need to enter the data that you want. Then you need to review the workflow minimap, undo or redo any changes that you might want to reset. And you can also manage the settings, when to run the workflow and not run the workflow on specific dates, etc. And then you just need to turn it on once you publish it. And that is basically all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.